Hello everyone, welcome back. And by the way, I am Jaime Dologuin from BSME2C, and for today's vlog we will make a video about the molten metal from a blast furnace. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. So let's start. What is a blast furnace? A blast furnace is a type of metallurgical furnace used for smelting to produce industrial metals, generally pig iron, but also other metals such as lead and or copper. Blast refers to the combustion air being forced or supplied above atmospheric pressure. Most of the blast furnaces are linked to the basic oxygen steel plant, for which a hot metal typically contains 4 to 4.5% of carbon, 0.6 to 0.8% of silicon, 0.3% of sulfur, 0.7 to 0.8% of manganese, and 0.15% of phosphorus. Topping the temperature are in the range of 1,400 degrees Celsius to 1,500 degrees Celsius to save energy. Hot metal is transferred directly to the steel plant with the temperature loss of about 100 degrees Celsius. So, molten iron can be considered to be a molten metal. So, what is a molten iron? It is defined as the iron produced by a blast furnace as measured in a blast furnace, which may include trace of amounts of blast furnace slugs skimmed from a molten iron at steel making shop or other location remote from the blast furnace. So the process to produce molten iron using the blast furnace are the following steps. Step 1. Charge the solid iron ore, coke, and limestone is constantly dumped into the top of the furnace. And step 2. A blast of air is blown into the furnace from the bottom. Step 3. Coke is the fuel that supplies additional heat, increasing the temperature of the charge. Step 4. Chemical reaction occur which coke reacts with oxygen from air, creating the reducing agent, which is carbon monoxide, which removes the oxygen ore. Step 5. Limestone reacts with impurities in the furnace and forming slag, which floats to the top of the furnace vessel. Every hour or so, the molten iron is removed and sent on the further processing. That's all. Thank you and God bless.